Junior want to not be on my I can't really see what did I miss. Ex-strippers.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females nature just touching me, tricky, tricky, tricky. Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is getting tight is cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the secret outside. Because I want you to lie that the only reason I can do tonight is because I really like you. And I cannot hide it. What do wherever your mind done? The nicest the clothes of your tight dress. White dress. Tell me that you feel like I do. Try me kisses so smooth. Tell me I'm that baby. Tell me you like me.
Okay. So I found this Jamaican spot over by College Park, or no, Camp Creek. It was a nice Jamaican spot. I just found it just out of nowhere. I was hungry, so it was good. They had beans and rice. I had beans and rice. I also had the jerk chicken, and they had greens instead of cabbage because they ran out of cabbage. But all in all, it was good. As you can see, I'm tearing it up. It was definitely good. I'm definitely gonna come back again. This is a plate of the food, what it looked like. I showed it before, but it was good. I'm definitely gonna be coming back again. Definitely try it. I'll put the info in the bio. Peace.